In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a vendor refund check in QuickBooks Desktop. Now to do this, first you want to go to Vendors up top, and from here you want to click on Enter Bills. Now the first thing you have to do is switch over from Bill to Credit up top, and from here you then want to select your vendor. So I'm just going to select a random one over here, for example this one, and you can go Class. Of course you can select whatever you want. I'm going to do Overhead right now. Then you can add a memo, the credit amount, stuff like that, the date as well. And down here, of course, you want to put in whatever is relevant to you under expenses. So I'm going to go to account here, and I'm going to select one account. Which should I do? I'm just going to do it like a random one over here. Let's just do, I don't know, gas and electric. And then the amount here, it should be stated. So I'm going to do 100. You can add a memo, customer job, etc. And that's essentially how you do this, okay? So we can just simply click on save and close over here, and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.